Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Ebony. If this is your first time here, I go by EbonieJonesMUA here on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So go hit me up. So in today's video, it's another Mac video, and before you guys chew my head down, it was actually requested. I mentioned these products that I picked up in my last video, and someone said go ahead and review them. We need to know the good and the bad. So we already talked about the Studio Fix foundation, and we already talked about the Studio Fix concealer. The third part of this video to talk about is the Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour palette contouring. So this is the packaging here, and then this is what the actual palette looks like. I bought this with the intent to do a video because I wanted to compare my powders that I have with this. Matter of fact, let me just grab that really quickly. So because my comparison video did not really pan out, I decided to insert these clips to give you guys a few details about the palettes. There are two palettes and they come in two different shades, light and medium, which is the one that I have, and medium dark dark. Each palette retails for $39.50 in USD. And just a heads up, MAC does sell each of these shades individually in pan form. That's without a palette. The pan form that comes without a palette costs $17 before a discount. I wasn't able to get a clear idea of how much product is contained in each pan. If I find out, I will update in the description box. Now back to this complete mess of a video. This, I get, you know what, maybe because mine is old, the new shade looks smoother. It feels smoother and butterier. So this is the one that I used underneath my eyes today, and I was trying to use it the way that you use this one, but clearly they're different and it made me look white. It definitely did not pick up yellow. So I actually had no business using this particular palette, but I wanted to, I guess, test it just to see, you know, what the formula was like, and it was a fail. I ended up using this shade because it reminded me of Soft Focus, which is this yellowy shade here. I mean, right here on the bottom, it's this yellowy shade, but apparently it's like a yellow shade for, you know, light and medium, like it suggests. So it looked worse on camera than it did in person, and I balanced it out, but that was a fail. You'll see that in the video. I really don't feel like the average consumer needs anything like that. And
you don't need a palette to contour. Contouring is not like, oh, a contour palette. Contouring is a step. It's not like a product, if that makes any sense. So it's kind of funny to me that companies start doing this because, you know, whatever. That's a whole nother video too. Okay,
so I guess my camera is telling me that I've been filming too long because my battery died not once but twice during the whole session. If you're a makeup artist and you just need some type of contouring product and you like MAC and you want to, you know, throw some money out there, then these palettes are going to run you $40, so $39.50 a piece. And you would have to buy both of them because this one, there's no earthly way that this is going to work on my shade and darker because we tried it and it didn't work. So you'll buy two of these, so you'll end up paying about $80 without a discount before shipping and handling. And then if you were to make a palette, and let's say for instance you just had to make two of the palettes, then you probably pay a little over $200 to make two of these. That's not including the palette or the insert. But I will say, let me report back on these because this video is going to be super long. I did end up using these today to take off the foundation when I did the swatches, and it removed the makeup fine. So if you're sensitive and the normal MAC wipes kind of make your face burn like they make my face burn, then maybe you can give those a try because my face didn't start burning after I used those. And that's basically it. I know this video is probably all over the place and it definitely was way longer than I expected it to be. But thanks for sticking with me if you did, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. This is for lighter. What the hell? It's like sticking to the concealer. Oh, Lord. Why would you do that to me? Let me see if I can. Oh, Lord. That's what I get. That's what I get. Okay, that's a complete fail. We're just gonna stop here. And I'm gonna fix it. I had no business using this one because this is not the one for my shade. For my complexion, it's gonna keep it moving. We're gonna blend that in. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go on top of it with my normal powder because we gonna work with that highlighter, boy. We gonna work with it. It doesn't look that bad in person. So that means that it has like flashback, because in person it looks pretty normal now, but I can see on the camera that it's still picking up. So that sucks. But we're just gonna go with it. Man, I don't even know what just happened.